AVPRO is proud to present this GULFSTREAM G450, serial number 4047. The G450 is a top-tier large-cabin long-range business jet, renowned for its performance and pedigree as a direct descendant of the legendary G4 series, one of the best-selling business jets worldwide. With an impressive range of up to 4,350 nautical miles, the G450 combines exceptional capability with innovation. Its plain-view cockpit is regarded as one of the most advanced flight decks in business aviation, setting a high standard for technology and functionality. The universal aft galley 14-passenger executive configuration on this G450 features a forward refreshment center and an aft full-service galley, ensuring a premium in-flight experience. The cabin layout includes a forward 4-place club, a mid-cabin 4-place divan opposite a 2-place club, and an aft 4-place conference group opposite another divan. Additionally, the aircraft is equipped with both forward crew and aft passenger lavatories, providing convenience and comfort for all on board. Serial number 4047 boasts an exceptional ownership pedigree and new paint completed in Q4 of 2017. Other features include Ku-band via-band high-speed data system with voice-over IP, ATG 4000 GoGo Wi-Fi, and Honeywell Primus Epic Plain View Cockpit with enhanced Foxtrot. The GULFSTREAM G450, serial number 4047, presented exclusively by AVPRO. AVPRO, celebrating 30 years of excellence.